I don't think that the photographer can decide if a picture is timeless or not. It's part of this conversation with the audience that we share as authors.
The difference with constantly sharing your work on the screen and in smaller format versus having to have it on a wall is that you need to up your game. I'm Christelle Enquist, and this is Jorge Delgado-Ureña. We are both documentary photographers and co-founders of the Raw Society, a global community of photographers and a hub dedicated to education of photography. Menorca right now is booming. The art scene is very, very interesting. Opening a gallery in Menorca is really, really exciting. It's our home, and it's the first gallery that we're doing in which this whole retrospective of ours is being shown at once. But it's also really, really nerve-wracking.
We got the help of a curator, Isabel.
Isabel's amazing.
We try to choose things that are easy to the eye, that work as a single piece.
Working with her, what it's proven is that it's all about the stories that we have to tell.
It's not really about this one single picture. It's about going through different experiences and the journey itself.
My name is Rafael Orta, and I'm the CEO of Capture One. I heard about Christelle and Jorge when I was listening to Ibarionex Perello's The Photographic Life podcast. I emailed Christelle and Jorge to say, hey, I'm the CEO of Capture One. I'd love to chat about the work that you're doing, and here we are. When they approached us to talk about the East to West exhibition, we loved the idea, and the challenge was, can you reprocess all of your photography using Capture One?
Capture One gave us the perfect moment to switch because we're going to have to go through all our archives and prepare them for this exhibition.
I'm Niels Knudsen from Capture One. I make tools for professional photographers so they can enjoy their craft. I'm in Barcelona today to see the prints that Jorge and Christelle has been printing. In Capture One, there's a lot of decisions or tweaks under the hood that I'm making the colors for each camera. So yes, I have my fingerprints on a lot of images out there.
It's massively important to do a proof of what you want to do because it's not normal to print a picture that's going to be 1 meter long. One of the challenges of these exhibitions is that we have worked during the years with different cameras, different formats, and we needed to have consistency.
You have the ability to compare a number of photographs to check if they're working in the similar ways and if the lighting is similar. I think overall you get a lot more information from that image to understand what's happening in one image and then be able to adapt it to the next image. And that was really important for the exhibition.
So one of the things that is really special about the way how we approach building Capture One is that we treat colors and details in the images in a way that is really true to what was there when the image was captured.
What we can do in Capture One just makes it easier. And what we've seen with their files is that they have been able to really bring the life into their pictures in a very beautiful way. The images, they were super nice.
One of the things that Capture One gives you is that extra mile of quality that is going to make you a better storyteller. It's the secret that no one really talks about.
I think there's no better way to see an image than in a large format. I love seeing people's reactions to it. Over time, you start to get used to not everyone reacting the same way to your photographs. We're here to get a better understanding of what other people see in our photography.
I would love for people to ask themselves some questions and live there thinking about themselves being closer to someone in the other side of the planet. Photographer is not who has a camera and takes pictures. Photographer is who has something to say with it.
What Christelle and Jorge have built with the Raw Society is super special. We really enjoy working with communities like that and to see their vision come to life with the tools that we can offer through Capture One.